Hello guys, today we learn colors and numbers and alphabets. Let's start with color. Yellow color, pink color, grey color, blue color, black color, or red color, pink color, green color, brown color, orange color, purple color, blue color, dark green color, red color. 1 number, 2 number, 3 number, 4 number, 5 number, 6 number, 7 number, 8 number, 9 number, 10 number. Start shapes. 1 number, red color, heart shape. 2 number, green color, square shape. 3 number, blue color, rectangle shape. 4 number, yellow color, star shape. 5 number, pink color, oval shape. 6 number, parrot green color, triangle shape. 7 number, pink color, pentagon shape. 8 number, orange color, cross shape, plus shape. 9 number, purple color, arrow shape. 10 number, blue color, drop shape. Wow, there's 10 numbers and 10 shapes. Let's learn 1 number, heart shape, 2 numbers, square shape, 3 number, rectangle shape, 4 number, star shape, 5 number, oval shape, 6 number, triangle shape, 7 number, pentagon shape, 8 number, plus shape, 9 number, arrow shape, 10 number, drop shape. Looking like a wow. Guys, please like my video and subscribe my channel. See you next video for more interesting videos. Bye bye.